Introducing a winter essential from Step Style, built for warmth, protection, and performance in harsh cold. This fleece Balaclava Face Ski Mask is ideal for skiing, snowboarding, motorcycle riding, cycling, and outdoor work. Its key feature is the movable face panel, letting you slide it up or down instantly without removing the mask, while keeping your head and neck fully protected. The breathable nose mesh allows smooth airflow during activity and helps reduce goggle fogging. Made with thermal polar fleece, it delivers soft, wind-resistant, full-coverage warmth for your face, head, and neck. Its stretchy design provides a universal fit for men, women, and teens, and the slim profile works easily under helmets. Whether you're on the slopes or working in freezing weather, this balaclava offers reliable comfort and protection. To buy this product, check the link in the description and the pinned comment. If you found this video helpful, like, comment, and subscribe to Step Style for more product reviews and winter gear updates.